AI tools are transforming how creators generate income, enabling them to streamline workflows, enhance their content, and open new revenue streams. Here are several AI-powered tools and methods that can help creators reach or surpass the $100,000 mark. 1. AI-powered content creation. 1. ChatGPT, OpenAI, helps with generating ideas, writing scripts, blog posts, social media captions, and more. 1. It can also be used for brainstorming, creative writing, and technical content. 2. Jasper AI, a powerful AI tool for copywriting, email marketing, and creating high-quality content that attracts attention. 3. Copy.ai, another AI writing tool for generating content for blogs, websites, and social media posts. 3. This can help scale content production and reach more people. 2. AI-generated art and design. 1. Midjourney generates unique and high-quality digital art based on textual prompts. 1. Creators can sell the art or use it for their own content creation. 2. DALL-E, OpenAI, another AI tool for generating images from text. 2. Creators can use it to make custom artwork, which can be sold on platforms like Etsy, or used to create album covers, merchandise, or digital assets. 3. Runway ML provides tools for creative professionals to generate and manipulate videos, graphics, and images with AI, offering new possibilities in creative industries. 3. AI music creation. 1. Ava, AI-powered music composition software that allows creators to generate original music. 1. Artists can monetize their creations by selling tracks to filmmakers, video creators, or using them in their own content. 2. Amper Music, a music creation tool that lets creators produce royalty-free music tracks. 2. This can be monetized by selling to content creators, YouTubers, or incorporating them into their own video projects. 4. AI video editing and production. 1. Descript, AI-driven video editing tool that helps creators edit and produce professional quality videos easily. 1. It's great for YouTubers, educators, or anyone making online content. 2. Pictory automatically transforms long-form content like blogs or webinars into engaging video snippets, increasing content output and audience engagement. 3. Synthesia allows creators to generate AI-powered video content using avatars and text. 3. It's a great way to create educational, marketing, and training videos at scale. 5. AI social media and marketing tools. 1. Lately AI helps creators automate social media content creation by repurposing long-form content into bite-sized social media posts. 2. Social Bee, AI-driven social media scheduling tool that helps you plan and manage posts efficiently. 2. It's an essential tool for creators aiming to increase engagement and grow their online presence. 3. Hootsuite or Buffer. While not strictly AI-based, these platforms offer AI-based analytics to understand audience engagement and optimize post times. 6. AI-based monetization platforms. 1. Patreon plus AI tools. Creators can use AI to provide tailored content for Patreon subscribers. 1. AI tools can help with content ideation, creating personalized experiences, and managing larger fanbases. 2. Substack plus AI. Substack allows creators to write and monetize newsletters. 2. Integrating AI-powered writing tools can help scale up content creation, enabling creators to grow a loyal subscriber base. 7. AI for e-commerce. 1. Shopify plus AI. Shopify's integration with AI tools like product recommendation engines and automated customer service chatbots can boost sales for creators selling physical or digital products. 2. Printful plus AI. Print-on-demand services like Printful can be enhanced with AI tools for designing custom merchandise, marketing it, and automating order fulfillment. 8. AI-based learning and courses. 1. Teachable. Creators can use AI-driven tools to create and market online courses. 1. AI can help with curriculum generation, content creation, and even personalized learning paths. 2. Thinkific. Another course creation platform that incorporates AI features, such as automated quizzes and course content optimization. 9. AI-assisted virtual assistants. 1. AI chatbots, e.g., ManyChat, ChatFuel. These tools help creators automate their customer support and communication with fans, answering questions and providing assistance 24/7. 2. AI content moderators. Tools like Mod Squad can help manage and moderate comments and interactions on platforms like Discord, social media, and more. 10. AI for data analysis and insights. 1. Google Analytics plus AI. Creators can use Google's AI-powered insights to understand audience behavior, optimize websites, and increase conversions for their products or services. 2. TubeBuddy or vidIQ. These tools use AI to help YouTubers grow by suggesting tags, titles, and video optimization strategies based on trends and engagement. Steps to monetize AI tools effectively. 1. Content scaling. Use AI to produce more content in less time, whether it's blog posts, videos, or artwork, thus increasing reach and visibility. 2. Automation. AI allows creators to automate tedious tasks, like video editing, social media posting, and email marketing, freeing up more time to focus on high-value activities. 3. Diversify revenue streams. With AI, creators can produce multiple types of content, e.g., digital products, online courses, paid memberships, to generate income from various sources. 4. Engagement. AI tools can enhance user engagement by personalizing content or interactions, which can improve fan loyalty and lead to increased revenue through subscriptions or direct sales. 5. Data-driven decisions. AI tools offer deep analytics to optimize your content strategy, marketing campaigns, and overall growth. By leveraging these AI tools effectively, creators can scale their work, produce high-quality content, automate time-consuming tasks, and tap into new revenue streams, potentially reaching $100,000 and beyond.